Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsuse.com, and today we have the Intel Insight tablet with us. This one is coming from Notion and it is called CAN in terms of the name. If you are looking at, this is a 10.1 inch Windows tablet which is running Windows 8.1. As far as specification goes, it is running on 1.83 gigahertz quad-core processor, which is Intel Bay-Trail processor. We have Windows 8.1 with Bing and Microsoft Office 365 subscription free for 1 year. We have 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, 32 GB of internal storage is there, and that is an SSD storage. We have an IPS panel which is 120 into 800 pixels. We have front camera and the rear camera, both are 2 megapixel. We have 10-point capacitive touchscreen, and we also have a micro SD card slot on this device. So let's take a look what we have as far as the overall physical form factor. So this will come with this particular cover, which is actually a very nice cover when you take a look at it. This is the tablet as far as the name is concerned. So it is coming from Notion Inc, and this is how it will look like from the backside. It has a metallic finish to it. However, this is actually some kind of plastic which is looking very good, and the finishing is also very nice. We have 2 megapixel camera at the back, and we have a fixed focus camera at the back side on this device. This is how you can actually place it like a laptop over there on the surface. So it will be like this, and you can use it like a laptop. You have a chiclet keyboard over there which looks very nice, and you can easily type on this particular device without any issues. It does give good amount of feedback, and we have a 2 megapixel camera at the front as well. As you can see, we have a 2 megapixel camera over there. Apart from this, if we take a look over this side, we can see we have the HDMI port over there. So that, not HDMI, but it's the USB port. So you have a USB port over there which can be used for charging as well as, and you can also use for reverse charging. So you can also charge your devices whenever they are connected. It is a USB 3.0 port. You have a micro USB port for data syncing as well as charging. We have another port over here for the micro SD card. So you can insert a micro SD card into this device. We have an HDMI port as well to portrait the display from this particular tablet to external monitor. We have a headphone jack over there and the power and sleep key over there. And here we have the mic and the DC charging. So this is actually for charging, and the micro USB port is for data syncing, not for charging. On this side we have no connectivity, nothing, but I think we should be able to remove this. Okay, it should come out. It will give you some more connectivity options. So you can connect a data card over there, as you can see, and nothing else can be connected on this side. But on that side we have all the connectivity options. On this side we have all these connectivity options which you might have already seen. So this is how it looks like, and it does have the loudspeaker over there at the top. So there are 2 loudspeakers. These are stereo loudspeakers which we have on this one, and this flap, the back flap, act like a stand like this. So it has magnet over there, so you can have it like this, and then once you place it on a surface, it will act like a stand for the display unit. And when it comes to the tablet part, the tablet can be removed from the keyboard. This keyboard will actually come within the package for the price of 20,000 rupees, which you will have to pay for this particular tablet. This is how it looks like. As you can see from the back side, this is how it looks like. Again, in terms of the overall form factor, it looks good. In terms of the overall build quality, it is very nice, much better than the other Windows 8.1 tablet which we have seen. It comes with Windows 8.1. It is completely touch capacitive, so you can easily do things with fingers. So you have touch response as well, which is pretty good. When it comes to the overall hardware specification, I can show you the storage. So here we have the start screen which you can always use. So you can use it like a regular Windows 8 PC, because it does give you the capability of running almost any application on this device without worrying about the compatibility. So you can run. We have the hard disk information over there, or you can say the storage. So storage on this device as of now is 33.8 GB free out of 53.1 GB, which is the total storage which you will get with this device. Apart from this, we talk about other specification. We have a dimension of approximately 9.7 millimeter. So it is 9.7 millimeter in terms of the overall thickness. Weight of the tablet is again not too high. It is approximately 630 gram in terms of the weight, which makes it fairly light. It does not feel heavy. You can always carry it with in your hand or in your bag without any issues. You can carry it. You have the dock connector over there. So this keyboard get connected with this particular tablet, not with the Bluetooth connectivity, but with this dock connection. So you can start using the keyboard without needing to worry about whether it is connected with the tablet with the Bluetooth or not. So you don't need to connect it again and again with the help of Bluetooth, and this will also conserve the battery on this particular tablet, which is a very good thing. This is how it will look like. Now here we have the tablet, which is closer. So it is a tablet plus laptop. As you can see, it also comes with this particular mouse. So you can always buy this mouse. However, this mouse will not come within the package, but the keyboard will come. You do have a touchpad over there on the keyboard, which is pretty sensitive to the finger touch. There is no problem. You can also do the double click. You do have left click as well as right click on the keyboard itself, which is definitely a good thing. And this is how you can come back to the screen. So you can actually use this particular tablet just like a normal Windows laptop, which is a very good feature, I would say. And this complete machine, which is actually a tablet plus laptop, is coming only for 20,000 rupees, which is again quite affordable, and I really like this thing. Apart from this, if we talk about the overall build quality and the form factor, the complete machine becomes very easy to carry once you flip this part, and you can always carry it like a book. The kind of finishing which has been used on the flip cover, which also comes within the package for this price, is also very nice. It has a rubberized feel to it, very nice material which has been used. It actually feels like a very premium tablet, and again for this price, if you can have it, you can always have a premium feel, and it looks like a Surface. So Surface, as of now, if you are aware, is very costly as compared to the pricing which we have for this one. So if you want to have a feel like you are using a Surface, you can actually buy this particular machine, which can also have a mouse connected. So you can connect a mouse. Again, this mouse can only be connected to the machine with the help of USB. So USB port is there, which we already showed you, and with this USB port you can actually connect it to the machine, and you can use it like a normal PC. And if we talk about the overall package, I can say that this package with the mouse, with the keyboard, and with this particular tablet is actually very good, and it gives you a complete PC experience. I would say this is one of the best machine you can actually buy for an affordable price point. In case you are looking for an amalgamation of, for a combination of tablet plus laptop, you can go ahead and buy this one, and this will not cost you much of the money. The kind of hardware specs it has is pretty decent as well. The connectivity options which you get with this tablet are also good enough. You have almost all the kind of connectivity you would need in a tablet plus laptop like this, and the overall form factor of the machine is also good. You can easily carry it with you. It is easy to carry, easy to be used. You can use it on a table, you can use it on a lap, and it will work for you anytime you want to. So again, in order to buy this tablet, you can buy it from Snapdeal, and from where it will be available. As far as specifications are concerned, we have already told you this is one of the best specifications you can get as far as battery is concerned. So when it comes to the battery, it will have a 7900 milliampere lithium polymer ion battery, which will give you around 7 to 8 hours of battery backup, which is good enough to be used. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. In case this video helped you, you can always click the like button. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you. This is the Notion Ink Windows 8 tablet for you. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you. So one thing I would like to tell you is that when it comes to the mouse, we have just clarified this, that the mouse will also come within the package of this particular tablet plus laptop, which is the Notion Ink Can tablet, as you can see, and this will also come within the package, and the keyboard as well will come within the package of this tablet for 20,000 rupees. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.